Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for those who are always returning. So as you guys can see today, I'm gonna do a vlog. You guys did say in my previous videos that you want more vlogs, you want more of me, so that's what I'm trying to do. So bear with me, okay? I'm gonna try to make this as entertaining as possible. I want to say I'm kind of new to this vlog lifestyle, so hopefully I can get it together. Hopefully that you guys enjoy. So you guys see my look. If you haven't checked out my video, make sure you go check that out. If it's up already or if this one's not up, but if not, stay tuned. So today is Sunday. I want to cook today, but I'm gonna just bring y'all along with me today and we see where it goes. Don't mind his hair. Why your hair is lopsided? Don't mind his hair.
Yes, I am looking like somebody's ancient uncle.
We're gonna get you right. Okay, his birthday is coming, so we just not gonna pay this no mind. But y'all haven't seen him since my other vlog, so this is what happens when your cat is desperate to get in the cage
And don't get no attention. She be desperate.
She said, I'm gonna find a way somehow. I'm gonna be close to it.
Hi.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold day.
Oh my gosh, y'all, please excuse the cake up on the mouth. Proceed. So it is days later, and the last clip you guys probably seen was me working out, and I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit basically about my fitness journey. It's nothing too crazy, but I have really been prioritizing my health, and I just want to say this because it might help someone. If you're a believer in Jesus Christ, I hope that you understand the importance of just knowing how important it is to take care of your body and take care of your temple. And I feel like that has helped me so much with, y'all, ew, I hate when it happens. But I feel like it has helped me so much with just staying focused because, you know, my journey with Jesus, following Christ, and how it is so important to take care of your temple, take care of the body that God let us borrow because we belong to Him. We need to learn to start taking care of ourselves. It's not saying that, you know, you can't eat fast food or you can't have chips and stuff, but to really just take care of the temple. And I'm also looking at it in a way where, like, okay, if there was an emergency situation, and honestly my man helped me look at it this way too, but if there was an emergency situation, like, and I needed to run, or I was hanging from a cliff or something. Like, I can't hold myself up because I have no upper body strength, or I can't run because I have no stamina. Like, in this world we live in today, you never know what circumstance you're going to be put in. So it's just very important to just, you know, think about those little things and really incorporate like a daily routine and just getting healthy, moving around more, just adding those type of things to your lifestyle, and just learning to eat more fruits, more veggies, take your vitamins, and I mean the healthier vitamins. I'm not one to sit here and, you know, pro pill, but everybody's different. But, you know, take your vitamins and really take care of yourself. You know, try to do things more in a natural way. Like, and I've been really proud of myself. I just want to thank God for that. I think maybe I will tell you guys more of what really pushed me to do it as well, because I do have a health condition that I don't speak about, but I probably will, just so that, you know, I might be able to help someone. And basically, I have not taken any pills for it. I went the healthy route. I decided to lose weight, continuing to lose weight, continuing to eat right, and the symptoms have been literally minimal. So I'm probably going to tell you guys, I'm not sure if it's going to be in this vlog or in another vlog, but I just wanted to just give some encouragement. Like, get moving and don't take advantage of the fact that, you know, you have legs, you have arms, you have all your limbs. There are people out here who, you know, who doesn't have that. You know, don't take it for granted, because one day you might not be able to walk. One day you might not, you know, be able to see. So just use your body while you're still young and while you still can, because there's someone that wished that they were in your place.
Settings you gotta change. How you feel?
Come closer. Oh no.
Hurts my legs.
No, come closer to me. I know. I said do it as far as you can. If
I
you
used
can,
to be able to do this.
Me too, but I just learned to get back into it. Though, go as far as you can. If you can't do no more,
because my arms are textile.
Because I used to be like this.
Wait, one thing. I want to show you. Can you do this? Hold on.
I'll give you a false alarm. We gonna see. I think so. It's been a while.
I don't want to do so.
Wait.
I know you can use hell bent like a little main bottom window.
Don't OD though. Okay, pull me. Keep pulling.
That's good.
Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Whoa. Okay. Ready?
It's going.
No, your lead's not supposed to be bent. The bend.
I don't know why.
And he pushed him.
Sorry.
And he was pretty much doing the full split, but not yet. And he said, "You ready?" He was like, "What?" He's like, "On 3." And he said 3 and pushed his feet to the wall and popped his thingy, and he was able to do the full split.
Slowly. There we go.
Because he popped this
that hurts on me.
Yeah.
You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, cause you see I. You see me, I'm a one star, cause you keep me. And now I'm better. No longer what I used to be better. He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can do. Cause he made me new and he gave me two things I used to do that I shouldn't do. All of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the Adonai. Yeah. I'm good.
Sorry. I'm actually on my way bowling now. I know there's a lot going on in this vlog, so please bear with me. I'm coming. Thank you for waiting.
Alright, hold on. Let me get out.
So we're going bowling. Say hello.
Hello.
It's your birthday weekend. Babe, not in the mood to speak this morning.
No.
You guys just seen we was at a restaurant yesterday. That was in the previous clip. But now we're on our way bowling. And we're gonna have some fun. Right, kid?
Yeah.
You a bowler?
Yeah. Sorta.
Okay.
I'm trying
Trying to get over this headache.
We shall see.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah. If you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah. I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, He got His hands in it. I promise He'll protect you like it's lamb in it. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with Him. I know. Yeah. Life gets hard and it feels like it's no way out. Yeah. I promise if you just keep going, it'll all work out. Yeah, cause that's my God. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, He gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because
Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for
I
me.
know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth. Throwing away my old ways, something that I gotta do. I gotta get the power from the source. That's the only way to stay the course. Only putting trust up in the Lord. I know He's got His hands on it for sure. I know that He's a cure. In every situation, you give me peace. Don't gotta be afraid, cause you're in the lead. I know. That'll never be the same, cause you set me free, yeah. That's my guy, He won't let you go by far. All you need to know right now, He gon' pick you up, give you love right now, yeah. All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because
Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me.
Okay guys, so today is officially September 25th. Today is my husband, my man's birthday, and we celebrated over the weekend, as you guys could see. So the first thing we did was we went to Beat the Bomb, which I highly recommend. It's definitely a nice group activity if you want to go with your friends, if you want to go with your family. I had a lot of fun doing that, and it was definitely an experience worth trying. Then we celebrated with a nice dinner. We went to Swings restaurant is a Caribbean restaurant in Brooklyn. Also, I recommend, overall I'm gonna give it an 8, but it was definitely cute. Like the look, it was just classy. It gave, and I definitely enjoyed it, as you guys can see. And then also we went bowling with my nephew, as you guys also seen, and it was super fun. Like I love family quality time. Like we're both big on, you know, spending time with our loved ones, you know, and just keeping things intimate as well. Like you can always do things with your friends, but doing things with your family too is definitely a thing, and I love my nephew so much. So today is his official birthday, and I actually work. Obviously, being that it's a Monday, I work, so it's not gonna be too much today, but I'm just gonna cook him a nice dinner. You guys are gonna see that later on. I'm gonna cook him a nice dinner, and I just want him to just feel even more love than he already does. So just sitting and thinking about it, I'm just so grateful to have met someone like him. Our relationship has came so far. It has blossomed, especially because we found Christ together. Like he led me, but we really, you know, grew mature in Christ together, and I'm just so grateful that God has blessed me with a man like him, and I can say he's a man. You know, he's a great partner. He's a great uncle to my nieces and nephews, and he's obviously not their biological uncle, but they love him. Like, he's a great son. He's just overall amazing. I appreciate him so much, and I can't believe he's 27. Like, I met this man when he was freaking 22. I was emotional this morning about it, but yeah, I'm really excited. Here's the man of the hour.
Hello.
My baby is 27. Oh my gosh, I love you so much. I was telling him how much I love you.
Yeah.
And I'm grateful for you.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's all. I'm sad this weekend is coming to an end because I feel like it happened so fast. But it's okay. Y'all see, I'm going to cook for him later on. And that'll probably be like the end of this whole week vlog, because it was a lot of vlogging going on, but I don't even know how much actual footage is gonna have. So hello, my nephew is still with me. He's such a cutie pie. He don't know what to say. He's not really like big on the camera. Okay, you guys, so it's actually after dinner time. I literally forgot to pick up the camera and show y'all the food. We were so hungry and we were just enjoying each other's company. So I'm so sorry about that. I'm still trying to get into this vlogging thing. You guys can see my hair's a mess. Like, I'm ready to just take it down a little bit. But thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for watching this far. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you guys.